Hi, my name is Gaurav, working at Prolim Solutions as an application engineer for Mentor PCB design and simulation solution products. Let us talk about new era in PCB design acceleration. Today's trend, electronics will be core aspect of our lives, and electronics based products have covered entire market. Electronics is everything and everything is connected. So starting from consumer electronics to automotive, aerospace and defense, networking and industrial. All this has something about electronics. So when we talk about electronics, there is an PCB. As technology is growing, PCB design challenges are increasing because of product complexity. The product complexity increases risk, and while designing the PCB, what are the things we need to take care? Performance, cost, manufacturability, reliability, form factor, and time to market. While designing the PCB, why we are facing more challenges? Increasing because of increasing data rates, more functions per area, and reducing manufacturing yield, and high power distribution complexity, and greater heat management, and electromechanical form fit issues. So for all these issues, Mentor provides the complete electronics product design solution. Starting from capturing schematic, which is design creation, to data management, layout creation, and simulations, DFM, and multi-board design solution. Here is the solution provided by Mentor for PCB design. PATS is for project-based PCB design for independent engineers. Expedition is for enterprise PCB design solution, where multiple engineers can involve in a single project. And also Expedition supports electronic data management, where we can manage our versions of design. And hyperlinks, where we can verify and simulate our design with respective to signal integrity, power integrity, and thermal analysis, and EMI EMC issues. Velar is single stop solution for manufacturability and assembly checks for PCB design files. This is how it looks: capturing schematic, layout design, and sign off, and fabrication and Gerber. When we look into schematic, this is the flow what we follow while drawing the schematic. We draw the schematic and circuit, we simulate the circuit and validate the schematic, and we perform pre-layout SIPI checks. So what we offer from Mentor for schematic design flow: for capturing schematic, we offer DX Designer. For circuit simulation, we offer Expedition AMS. For validating schematic, we offer Expedition Validate. To perform pre-layout SIPI what if checks, we provide hyperlinks pre-layout SIPI. So when we look into layout design, this is the flow we follow. We do placement and routing, and once we complete the routing, we perform post layout, SIPI, and EMI and thermal analysis checks. For layout design, we offer Expedition Layout, where you can do your placement and routing with advanced techniques like placement planning, routing planning, and sketch routing to accelerate your design time. So to perform post layout signal integrity, power integrity, and thermal analysis, we provide hyperlinks post layout analysis. When it comes to sign off, we need to make sure that whether our design is matching with respect to design rules or no. We can perform the design rules check with respective to SI, PI, and EMI EMC checks. Here we comes to final step of PCB design, which is fabrication and Gerber files. It is very important to validate our design files whether it is matching with respective of PCB manufacturing and assembly. For that, we offer Velar NPI, so that you can verify your design whether it is matching with respect to assembly and fabrication or no. To explore more on PCB design solution, please contact on below given contact details. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.